The angels herald a forthcoming miracle, tailored especially for you this weekend. 3 months hence, you'll find yourself in a wholly transformed state, mentally, spiritually, and financially. Embrace the mindset of abundance, for you are destined for wealth and success. Declare Amen to affirm your role as a glitch in the matrix, here to elevate collective consciousness and usher in a higher frequency of love and light. Type 1111. Your authenticity is magnetic. By following your passion, you'll effortlessly attract all you need in life. Remember to express gratitude for God's kindness, goodness, mercy, and love. Some individuals may not align with your journey, but safeguard your heart and trust in divine guidance. Type yes, pamper your energetic being by indulging in the underrated practice of cleansing through bathing. Recognize that attachment isn't synonymous with love. True fulfillment comes from within. Embrace change as a precursor to new beginnings, and remain open to the universe's grand gestures. Type God, please give me wealth. Your best days lie ahead, rooted in self-discovery and unwavering self-worth. Engage in meaningful connections, nurture your passions, and prioritize your well-being. Stay present, for it's in the now that life unfolds. Trust in the process and know that your dreams are manifesting in divine timing. Type 4444. Take time to introspect, for therein lies your extraordinary essence. Embrace your journey, for you are not merely a problem to be solved, but a multifaceted being experiencing the full spectrum of life. Trust in your path and know that everything is aligning for your highest good. Type 555. Embrace the boundless possibilities the world offers, for God has guided you this far with purpose. Believe in your ability to achieve greatness. 6 months from now, you'll marvel at your journey, knowing that your unwavering self-belief paved the way for success. Trust in your power to manifest your desires. With determination, anything is attainable. Type 1111. Your diligence will reap rewards, provided you play the long game. Amidst intense transitions, recognize that inner strength is being forged, preparing you for the blessings you've envisioned. Find solace in the present, knowing you're progressing towards your dreams. Type 222. Deepen your faith and cultivate patience, for miracles seek you out. Understand that what's meant for you will endure, while what isn't serves as redirection. Acknowledge the constants in your life. They compose the melody of your journey. Please donate us $100 to support us. Fall in love with life's magic. It's music, art, and literature. Embraces spontaneity and exploration, cherishing moments under the moon and amidst wildflowers. Remember your own magic, chasing dreams with fearless abandon. In the depths of darkness lies the brightest light, discovered through resilience. Confront your shadows with unwavering courage, for true strength is found in facing adversity head-on. Embrace the fight, refusing to succumb to darkness. Type 1212. Turning away from adversity and striking back when it initiates the struggle marks your victory. True bravery lies in enduring the darkness until it fades into the welcoming embrace of dawn. As you gaze upward and witness the awaiting sky, know that you've returned to the realm of light, stronger than ever. Welcome back, warrior. Nothing can shatter your resilience now. Type Amen. It's time for some to ground themselves in reality. Cease belittling others for their hardships. Remember your own moments of financial strain reliance on public transportation, or familial challenges. Refrain from passing judgment, for we all face trials that humble us. Recognize that the struggles of today may one day become your own. Type 555. In truth, none of us are without flaws or complexities. We each possess unique traits and quirks that may not always align with others' preferences. Life isn't about seeking perfection or fairy tale endings. It's about finding someone worth the effort, someone willing to reciprocate your investment. Type I love Jesus. To anyone reading this, I offer a prayer. May your burdens lighten, your worries dissipate, and your mind find peace. May clarity replace confusion, and tranquility fill your days. Whether in joy, uncertainty, or before slumber, turn to prayer, for God's presence is unwavering. Type yes. Today, instead of dwelling on the negatives, I choose gratitude for all that is right in my life. I believe that the answers I seek are on their way. God has already begun to shift things in my favor. Trusting in divine intervention, even when the path forward seems unclear, is the essence of faith. I will continue to persevere, focusing on what I can control and surrendering the rest to God's plan. In the midst of challenges, I recognize that I am experiencing one of life's greatest blessings. I firmly believe that all things are possible for those who have faith. What may seem like coincidences will eventually reveal the power within me. Type 1111. I refuse to justify myself to those who doubt me. I know my worth, and I won't waste time explaining myself to toxic individuals. Instead, I'll walk away with no regrets, understanding that true growth comes from compassion and patience, not judgment. It's disheartening to witness unnecessary cruelty. Choosing kindness over negativity is a small but impactful way to make the world a better place. Hurting others only spreads more unhappiness. A fleeting moment of power isn't worth the. Mastering this skill will shield you from the trials that make you doubt your ability to persevere. With the gift of self-awareness, even in solitude, you'll never feel truly alone. Whenever you question your potential, reflect on how far you've already come, the battles you've won, and the fears you've conquered. Recall past moments of doubt that you've overcome, knowing that you can surpass any challenge. Type yes. As your head rests on the pillow tonight, focus on your accomplishments rather than dwelling on perceived shortcomings. Embrace patience and understand that great achievements unfold gradually, one step at a time. Treat what you cherish with care, shielding it from harm and nurturing its growth. Type 1111. A shout out to all who are endeavoring to do right, to remain open, and to navigate life's complexities. We're in this journey together. Despite any negativity directed your way, maintain your inner peace. Wish well, even upon those who seek to dim your light, for they need positivity the most. Your peace is sacred and unyielding. Guard it fiercely. Please donate us $50 to support us. Acknowledge your imperfections while celebrating your strengths. Embrace your journey of growth, knowing that you're constantly evolving into a better version of yourself. You may not be perfect, but you're amazing in your own right, with a resilient heart and a soul enriched by experiences. Each day is an opportunity to learn, grow, and eventually make someone proud to have you in their life. Type Amen.